Patches love the cheapest toy available, and that's a water bottle. They love the noise, they love the crackle. These are juice bottles, so they're a little bit heavier, so they can't chew them apart so fast. But they're loving the noise. Even trying to play tug of war with one. Hi, Phoenix. You can see the camera, I know. Oh, hi, Chase. There's Shiloh. There's Mercy. There's Phoenix again. Hi, Phoenix. Oh, there's Shiloh and Patches. Going after one bottle when there's 3 available. Yeah, they like them. Get it, Chase. Get it, Chase. Hi, Chase. See who wins. Who's gonna get it? Shiloh or Patches? Looks like they're gonna share. Where are they all at, buddy? Huh? Where are they?